Hi everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I am here with a little Walmart haul and a Dollar Tree haul, and I'm going to start out with Walmart. Just a few items. Picked up some baby wipes, of course. But I went down their clearance aisle, and I came across these. They say JoJo, who she has with the big bows. And these were on clearance for $3. They were $16 at one time. I picked them up for Allie, my granddaughter. They'll fit her. And they're kind of cool, rainbow looking. Even if she takes out the ball, because Allie doesn't like, or I can see Allie taking this out by just wearing this shoe. $3, not bad. Goes through shoes. Then, Coda Bear, the grandson, loves Fortnite. And I don't know if he has these. I was with Diamond when we bought them, but I don't think he has this person. And I don't think he got this one. And I'm playing this by card, or this one. They were $40. They were almost $10 a piece at Christmas, because I remember watching Diamond pick up two. So I grabbed those for him. Those will be in his Easter basket. So that is my big Walmart haul, plus 2 Rubbermaids. I don't think you need to see them. Then I went to Dollar Tree, and I picked up they had the watercolors in tubes. I thought I'd try them just to see. So you get red, yellow, blue, gray, and black. So you get 5 for $1. Got them. And then, like I said, I was going to stock up on my paint. I like their paint. Works great for mixed media for $1. So I got the green, the dark blue, pink, orange, yellow, green, a darker green. And then they had this one. This was new. It's like a mustard yellow. Can tell the difference. So I picked them up. And then I got lucky one time. Somebody returned these, 2 of them, and mine has never got them in. This is how far my Dollar Tree is behind getting stuff in their Dollar Trees, because a lot of you have already seen this, and it's been hauled over and over. Is this pencil brush organizer? So I picked up another one to hold my pencils and stuff. I already have 2. I got paintbrushes in one and some other miscellaneous in the other. But I wanted one more to put my pens in that I use all the time for sitting on my table. So I picked that up. Then I found this cool stencil. Thought that was kind of cool. Has this section. And then you can turn it, and it has like leaves. And then circles. And then that funky one with the lines. So that was $1. Well, of course, duh. So that was pretty cool. Then that was going to take me tomorrow to the wood store, and this is new in my store that he does not take me tomorrow. And it was planks of wood, and this is for a project coming up. Matter of fact, not these, but I bought them just to have them. 6-pack, you get 6 in there. So I bought 2 of them. And this one you get 6 in there, so I bought 2 of them, and it's just wood planks. And I needed some of these. So I have to measure them out, and then he said he will cut them to the size I need. And then I picked up one of these for a project that Bima was showing us how to make. So she told me that if I wanted to do one, pick one out, so I picked it out. And then I needed some wiring for the project that's going to go along with the wood. They only had purple. I'm so disappointed because I was hoping I think I do have a green here somewhere. And blue. I just have to remember. But I got other stuff I can use too. But I also picked up this twist tie cutter and wiring, a refill. Just so I had some wiring. Because I needed it. So I got that. Then I got found the yellow truck. Just had to wait. So I grabbed 2 of them. It's the only 2 they had. I wanted the truck so bad. She showed me those stickers. I was like, ah! And then, what else did I get here? Oh, Scott asked me to get him a nail clippers. And I kept forgetting, so it was in mine. So I grabbed 2 of these. I'm going to carry one in my purse and give him one for his truck. Nail clippers, little finger thing, the scissors, and a little peachy tool. So I grabbed 2 of those. One for him, one for me. And then I bought these file folder labels. This is for my sale. I'm just going to write people's name on it, peel it off instead of doing the masking tape like I usually do. Grab them. And then, oh, got another one of them. I found, there's some stuff out of the way here. Okay, I have found Let's Planner. So, as y'all know, I started doing my planner. So I picked these up. This one says Let's Planner, stickers and auto sheets. And it has moons, a unicorn cat, I don't know. BFF, smile, ice cream. That's one sheet. That's what it looks like. Okay, come on. And then words, spread, little magic, girl power, dream, dreamer, smile, spirit of unicorn. You're awesome. And then a bunch of hearts. And then little squares and little emojis, happy face, sad face, and I don't know what that face is. It's most wide open. And then things to do, goals, and some more stickers. Good vibes, pizza, sweet, believe, peace. Oh my god, my fingers aren't working here. And then complete, goals, remember, important, top priority. So that is that one. And then we have this one. Love the colors in this. The mint green and the pink. Get organized. Today, note detail, special day. You have some hearts and some arrows. And then, of course, the squares. Numbers, appointments, Sunday, shopping list. And then gold. Today was awesome. Brave. Hey, beautiful. And then, like, the minty colors again in black. Weekend. Don't forget. Notes, today, and arrows, week, note, little punctuation marks, that one. And then there's this one, and this is like puppy dogs. I thought it was cute. And kitty cats and sweaters. I like that cat with a sweater. Dog in a sweater. Yay, smile, hello. Let's hang, be happy. Cameras. Look, the cat with the camera. And then he's perfect. Spread a little magic. You're awesome. Believe in yourself. Woo-hoo. And then silver dots or iridescent dots, if you want to call them. And then, of course, to do today. Let's do this. Make it work. Reminder. Don't forget. Important this week. And then llamas. Smile. Don't hurry. Dreamer. And then a little page. Stickers you can put right in. Great deals, goals, dreams, plans. Check it off. Make it happen. Don't forget. And that's that. That is my Dollar Tree holiday. No stamps yet. So I'm hoping. Maybe that'll be the next time I go. They'll have the stamps. That's how it seems to work. So, but Dima showed me this. I bet you 3 weeks ago she showed me this truck stickers. And I went through all the stickers last time, 2 weeks ago. Came home with stickers I didn't need. So I was looking through them all for this truck. That is pretty big. Good, nice size. So, I want to thank each and every one of you for watching. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now. Everybody, have a good day. Or good night. Because it's 8:15 p.m. here in Wisconsin. Bye, everybody.